Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove the watch it again or the continue watching or your viewing history in Netflix. So what you need to do is open Netflix on browser like this. You need to do it on browser. Go to the netflix.com and click on your photo at the top. Go to account, scroll down, click on manage profiles and choose the profiles that you want to remove its watch history. For example, this one's right here. Scroll down and go to the viewing activity. Now you can just find the movies or show that you want to delete from the list. For example, this one right here, you can click on this icon. And just like that, the movies or show will be hidden and removed from the watch history. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. And I'll see you in the next one.